I have been using this desk chair every day for 3 months now, and I love it. Now, you may notice that I removed the headrest from it. I will show you that in a little bit, but yes, I took it off. I wasn't using it, and I thought it was a little too much for where my desk is at. I like the styling better without. Now let's go over what this chair does. I love the mesh seat. That is my favorite part. It just is very comfortable and supportive of my body as I sit in it all day. It has great spin, and the arms can go up if you want them higher or adjust anywhere along the line and get pushed out of the way as well. I'll often push them out of the way so I can go all the way up tight to my desk. Then you have controls so you can lean back without the chair going back on you, or lean back and the chair can go all the way back. I often do this when I'm resting, looking on a phone, anytime when I'm not bent over looking at my computer. Then I can choose my height. It goes quite tall. I'm 5'11", and I cannot touch the floor easily when it's all the way up, or very low, which I appreciate as well. Now let's put on that headrest so you can see it with that. Here's the headrest, easy to take on or off, and then it has a lot of controls so you can make it high or low. It is a comfortable headrest. I just don't lean back in my chair very often, so I took it off for me. And I love that you can make this chair work for you however you want it to work. Overall, I've been quite happy with this chair. I love how supportive it is and that I can spend a whole day on it.